Learn how to read, write, and communicate in Hausa language like a native speaker wherever you are around the world. Through the program, teach yourself Hausa language, coming to you from Rumbun Ilimi with me, Abubakar Muhammad Tsangarwa. Lesson 23, darasi na 23. Sentence formation, gina jimloli. Bani matashin kai. Give me a pillow. Mayafin yayi datti. The blanket is dirty. Sabon zanin gado. A new bed sheet. Kaka tana dakin girki. The grandmother is in kitchen. Tafi kasuwa. Go to market. Yana tafiya kasuwa. He is going to market. Ya tafi kasuwa. He went to market. Zai je or zai tafi kasuwa. He will go to market. Ya dawo daga kasuwa. He come back from market. Zai dawo daga kasuwa. He will come back from market. My good student, thank you for joining this class. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe the channel, like and share it to make it more beneficial to many people around the world. Remember to visit https://lumbunilimi.com.ng or click the link below this video to download the exercises pages. Goodbye and see you in the next class.